Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO Find X2 Neo to an Android device. You need to begin by accessing Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, click on Open. Now, in order to use it, choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then select wherever you wish to in this pop-up, not now, or just don't click on anything at all and choose OK. Then do exactly the same on OPPO. Finally, you can choose Receive at the bottom of your Android and Send at the bottom left corner of OPPO smartphone. Now click on all of those type of dots from all of your categories. And when finished, choose Send at the bottom right corner. This way you will select all of those files and send them. It will take some time though to do it right now, so I will go with only this photo, choose Send and tap on Got It. Now on an Android, just tap on one of those options and choose Close this window. Finally, we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and connect using Receive button. But we can also scan this QR code. In order to do that, tap on this scanning icon on an Android. Select while using the app or only this time in the pop-up and point your camera at the code. And now, as you can see, after a while, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!